Let's check out these lava tubes. Take a very good look at the design of these tubes as I take you through this. While in the tube, science says lava temps at 2200 degrees Fahrenheit. When we think of lava tubes, we don't think of something that appears constructed. We especially don't think of something completely cleared with grooves of some sort along the sides, as I'm showing here. Science says the tubes have grooves due to the levels of former flows. Well, that doesn't make a lot of sense to me, because wouldn't a flow of 2200 degrees Fahrenheit melt the former groove? A little bonus information regarding lava. As we all know, lava is a thick red flow. But did you know there is blue lava? In Indonesia, there is a volcano called Kawah Ijen in East Java that ejects blue lava. Science says it's due to incredibly high sulfur content. It is one of the most unusual volcanoes in the world. Its underground activities result in bright blue flames rising into the air as well. The people that live there call it Blue Volcano and describe it as electric blue fire. This one here is especially interesting. What an odd formation for a flow moving at 19 miles per hour. If you study it carefully, you will notice what we did. From an APN perspective, this narrowing that widens into this chamber is basically a venturi, which, as we know, is a form of compression and expansion, which is designed to keep it flowing, which of course is part of the cleaning cycle. In other words, it has been intentionally designed to handle this process. So, let's sum up the blue lava. Now that we understand the process a bit better, we can relate it to Walter Russell's chart with the cones and angles that are needed to produce these elements. The results of the blue lava indicate that emissions of Kawah Ijen are dominated by acid water outflows, especially for the ligands chloride, fluoride, bromine, with active fumaroles contributing significant semimetals, selenium, arsenic, antimony, mercury, as well as carbon and sulfur. As we look at the Walter Russell chart, we can see the elements being produced using the angular layout. Sulfur being the largest for this particular area, causing the very, very rare blue lava seen in this one volcano in the world. As we know, specific angles produce specific elements. Now, as I cannot elaborate yet the way I'd like to with chemistry, we can see the different angles of the cones making the different elements that have been identified in this particular volcano. The largest set sitting at 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south. All of the elements produced are of the female domain, as well as all in the magnetic property domain. It must be a mixing of these particular elements being mixed at these specific quantities, and then mixing with oxygen that make the blue lava. This is creation before your very eyes. This is the angels creating as they have been designed to do. This is one of the many functions and roles they perform. I hope this helps you see and understand the creation process itself and the alchemy of the machine.